All right, here we go. We were gifted a Cool Max 14-inch Queen mattress. We're going to surprise our daughter with an upgrade to her bed. A couple things. Package size, 45 by 45 by 108. This is a 14-inch mattress. So let's go ahead and take off her mattress and pop on the new one. I'm super excited about this. Pretty big box that you get here. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Went ahead and put it on the bed. And it's pretty heavy. Not going to sit here and lie. It is pretty heavy. But that is okay. Because it's a pretty big mattress. Comes in a decent sized box. But first of all, we've got to get her bed off. And we're going to take and put her sheets back on. And make it happen. Let's see if we can get around here. Quick little adjustment. Removing hers from the bed. All right. And here we go. Love seeing underside of kids' beds. That's hilarious. You know what I'm saying? Never know what you're going to find. But good news is she's got a storage bed, so she just hides all of her stuff underneath it. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the Cool Max. Oh, yeah. Tip this up and slide it all out. See? Yeah. Oh my. Okay. This might be a two-person project here for future reference. So if you are doing this by yourself, you might want a second set of hands. But I'm a professional. So that's what's got me here. Okay. Box off. All right. On the inside, it says caution, step 1. All right, here we go. Let's take a look. So, just seeing what we got here. Step 1 says improper cutting, don't cut. Place mattress on the bed. Find the opening of the protective film. And it says it will roll that way. Okay, got it. Here is the user guide. So let's go ahead and see what the user guide looks like. Ooh, they even give you a little cutter to cut this so that you will not rip anything. That's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Never really ordered beds online. But that's okay. So let's go ahead and get in. So I believe what this will allow us to do is cut that piece right there without cutting the mattress. So it shows how to unroll it, which is super important. And tells you one mattress for 2 comforts. Left side is a 7-10 firm. Right side is a 5-10 firm. But we're going to get into it. Let's get that off. Here we go. I believe we want to rotate this guy based on please stand behind the arrow while opening. Okay. So we're going to stand behind the arrow. Let's go ahead and see. We'll use this little. Okay. Oh, behind the arrow. Please stand behind the arrow. You gotta read directions. Here we go. Okay. Let's open it up. Oh my. Here she comes. Alright. Okay. Definitely coming alive there. Okay. That'll fold that way. All this extra plastic. And we're going to go ahead and finish opening up, and we're going to show it while it's open. All right, so here we have it. This is it. We got it out. This is a 14-inch mattress. Let me kick the shoes off so we can see, get a little lay down action here. This thing looks super comfortable. Not going to lie. Gel. This thing is super comfortable. So let's go ahead and see. Right, just like that. Now it says the left side is a 7-10 firm. Then this one is a 5/10 on the firmness scale. So you can definitely feel this one's definitely softer on this side, but super comfortable. Definitely digging the whole comfortability side of it. You have a nice padding on top. I mean, look at this, right? I mean, it is very, very spongy and going to be extremely comfortable. It's a super solid mattress at the end of the day. So definitely digging it. Beth, come on, hop up here. You gotta see what it is. Hop up. Here we go. What are we thinking?
Oh, this is gonna be nice.
Isn't it though?
She's gonna like this.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
Yeah, super nice bed. From the Grass-Feed Cool Max memory foam 14-inch mattress. Cool. Very cool.
I like that.
That's the other thing. It's extremely cool to the touch, and she's gonna definitely dig that part. So, guys, what do you think?
I think we should check it out.
Check it out. Absolutely. Check it out. You got two sides for the Cool Max.